Yan, i-ano lang natin yung ating, napakaliit siya, no? Yan. Very, guys, kaya mo yung lamunin yung ano, yung isang puto. Hi guys! Nandito po tayo sa ating kitchen! Yeah, guys, today I'm going to prepare puto cheese keto recipe. Anyway, nanood po ako ng mga video sa YouTube and it's all about puto cheese keto recipe. Try ko rin i-modify ito. I-change the quantity kung anong result. Ang gagamitin ko po ay mixture of almond flour and coconut flour. Guys, keep on watching this video until the end and please do subscribe to my channel. So, let's get started. Coconut flour in a bowl. Almond flour. We need 12 sachets of stevia sweetener. 1, 2. And then pinch of salt. Mix them thoroughly. So in this recipe, we will use 8 pieces of eggs. Then mix them together. Now, I will add oil. Add in the heavy cream. It is also 6 tablespoons. 2. One, 2, 3, 4. Give it a whisk. Now I will add for our aroma. So this is what I'm going to use instead of vanilla. I'm using the orange blossom water. Gonna be adding 1 tablespoon. Ngayon, handa na po natin itong ilalagay sa ating molder. Guys, babalikan na po natin yung ating steamer. Oh, wow! It's done na. We will take this out from the steamer. Ayan na guys! Luto ng ating first batch. Yan. Excited na akong i-try itong kainin. So, see you guys in a bit. Guys, I'm excited to try the Puto cheese that I made today. This is it. Pansit. Let's give it a try. Yan, i-ano lang natin yung ating... Napakaliit siya, no? Yan. Cheese. Mmm. 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 Yung tamis niya is very tama lang siya. Try to modify especially that vanilla and the coconut oil. I don't have it, so I made replacement of an olive oil. Guys, this is the result. So far, yung lasa niya is something like ito yung maaamoy mo talaga. Guys, ito yung maaamoy mo talaga sa Puto cheese na to. Tapos yung texture niya is not really same as when you are using the normal flour. So since I was using the almond and coconut flour, it's something like half-half of the taste. The coconut is not really dominant in taste. What is the dominant is the flavoring and the egg. That's what I noticed in this recipe. Guys, kaya mo yung isang puto. When you eat this, it must be only 3 pieces. Okay? Maybe during weekends, which is your cheat day, you can eat more of this Puto cheese. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Guys, dahil sa sarap niya, na naubos ko na yung 4 na piraso. But sorry guys, I tell you, it's really very delicious. And this is good for dessert. After the heavy dinner, you have to eat dessert. So this is your considered dessert during the day. Guys, thank you for watching this video and hope that you got something, some tricks from this recipe. You have learned something from this, and thank you guys for watching. I see you on my next video, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have new videos. See you guys for the next one. Bye bye.